Hey guys, this is your pal, the fabulous four-fingered Belch King. That's right. And the Belch King has a question for you guys today. What's better than Dr. Pepper? Nothing, baby! But I'll tell you what, there is something that comes a close second, and that is mug root beer. That's right. So, if you watch all my videos, you know that Pepsi Zero is the ultimate Belch soda with a record 50 belches. That's right. And the ex-champion was Dr. Pepper with 44 belches. So I thought, why not put root beer, mug root beer, against Dr. Pepper? Side by side, will mug beat Dr. Pepper's 44 belches? We shall see. All right, guys. Here we go. And as usual, you know the drill, guys. You gotta like, subscribe, tell all your friends about me. That's one. Because the Belch King aims to please. And guys, I love you all. I love your support. And two, I promise you, there's a hell of a lot more to come. So what have you guys been doing recently? Huh? Three, drop me a note. Drop me in the comment section, you know. And the freak reads all the comments, and I answer all the time, because I love you guys. Yeah, mug is pretty good, man. 3 belches, right? 4 belches. 5. I don't think mug is gonna beat the Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper. Look at that mug. 6. 7. 8. Whoa! Things are picking up. 9. 10. Mug root beer. It tastes so damn good. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. Whoa! 15, and I'm, what, halfway through or so? 15, 16, 17, 18, 18. Oh yeah, guys, remember, if anybody out there sees this video, and you work in 19, the 20, the adult film industry, 21, 22, 23. This thing is picking up. Yeah, so if you guys know anybody who works in the adult film industry, or you yourself works in it, drop me a comment. Get in touch with me, because the freak would love to experience that, shall we say. One of my dreams, one of my fantasies, I guess, and I think it would be a cool experience. So hey, who knows? I might get lucky. So let's keep on belching, baby. What are we at now? 20, 21? 22. 22. You know what you could do, guys? 23. If you like these videos, you like to subscribe, sure. Tell everybody about me. But here's a great idea. I want you guys to drop a comment and tell me which soda you want me to try, to challenge for the title of 50 belches currently held by Pepsi Zero. And I'll try and find them, and I'll keep on belching. I lost count. Where am I at? 25? Maybe. 26. Not much left. 27. 28. There's no way Mug is gonna beat the Dr. Papa! Dr. Papa! No way. Of 44? Nah, ain't gonna happen. Mm. 29, baby. Woo. I do admit, though, that Mug root beer is pretty damn good. Yeah, pretty damn good. 30. I'm gonna try and go for 35, guys. But nope. Dr. Pepper. 31. Ooh, 32. Is still number 2, and Mug doesn't even come close to challenging Pepsi Zero. A little bit left. 33. 34. Let's go for 35, guys. That's it. Am I gonna get 35 in a single bottle of Mug? Or am I going to be stuck at 34? I don't know. Do I feel it coming now? Yeah. 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 We're going to get to 35. I feel it, guys. It's coming back up.